So the process to save audio files from WhatsApp in iPhone is quite easy and simple. So you can see I have an audio file here. Someone sent the message. And if I want to save it, the process is quite simple. Just go and select the audio by tapping on it for a while. And here you can see forward. Tap on forward. Now the audio is selected. So to save that on your iPhone that you can use it later, simply go and click on share. So you have a share button, click here. And once that is open, you need to scroll down a bit. And here you can see save to files. Tap on this. Now the iCloud drive is open. What you need to do is you can also select a tag to make sure it is easy to search. And just go and simply click on save at the right top corner. And now, if you go and open up the files and go back, you can see the audio is being downloaded and it is now here. So you can share it with anyone. So hope by doing so you'll be able to save audio files from WhatsApp in iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.